So today we're here with Iselin Fuselli, and Iselin, you were diagnosed with fibromyalgia.
Yes.
So this was going on for how long before you were actually diagnosed?
It's about 6 to 9 months.
Okay.
I was getting all the pain, discomfort, not knowing what was really happening to my body. My energy level was just terrible. And in addition to all the pain and discomfort, I couldn't sleep at nights. And my daughter, Chantel, found Dr. Valentine office on the internet. And she said, "Mom, with all the different doctors that you have gone to, why not give Dr. Valentine a try?" And my husband and myself came over to see Dr. Valentine, and I was just willing to try anything, not knowing what I was in for, you know, and it has been a blessing coming to see Dr. Valentine, because I have made like a 360 turnaround from when I started. I think it was the ending of July was my first treatment to visit, and now it's October, and I tell you, I can function. I have so much energy. My pain it went from maybe a 9, 10 to now maybe 1 or 2. Some days I don't have any pain, and it's just been a blessing coming to see Dr. Valentine.
So we also talked about, you know, the things like the doctors, what they've tried. You've had steroid injections in your spine.
Yeah.
You've had medications. You were talking about acid reflux that you were having.
Yes.
Can you give us a little bit of an idea even
Sure.
that?
Yes, I first went to my medical doctor, I would say a year and a half prior to that I was diagnosed with fibro, and he ran all different kinds of tests, and nothing showed up. Blood work, you know, all those things, nothing showed up. And then he finally sent me to my orthopedic surgeon, and she diagnosed me with that I have a bulging disc. An MRI was taken, but in addition to that, the pain overall in my body, it was just different. And all the discomfort I was feeling, my head felt like foggy. I couldn't focus. You know, there were days that I just didn't feel like getting up out of bed. And with the MRI that was done and a few visits to her, she said, "I bet you this is what you have." And with all the different area that she pressed on, she says, "Iselin, you have fibro." And I was a little bit, you know, depressed, being diagnosed with fibro, and I'm thinking, oh my goodness. But at the same time, relief, because I know that I will do the best that I can to, to get the correct treatment for that. And so she sent me to a rheumatoid specialist to confirm that I do have fibro, and he ran no test at all, no blood work, nothing at all, and he just touched different areas, and he said, "Well, this is what you have, Iselin. You do have fibro." And
medications that
he's
you were
starting
on?
to put me on the Lyrica and Zoloft and another muscle relaxer that made me, I was just wiped out. I would take it at nights when I'm going to bed, and the next day, 1 o'clock, I was still kind of really groggy, couldn't function. And I asked if he could cut it down to at least half the dosage, which he did. And he did, but I was still kind of not myself. And I don't feel good not being myself. So I went on the internet and I did some research about natural supplements, if I could compensate, the natural supplements and not take the Zoloft and other.
You were looking for alternatives,
Yes,
besides that.
Yes.
So let me ask you this then. So the medications that you were on, you know, like for the acid reflux, the Lyrica, and these anti-anxiety or depression drugs, are you taking those now at this point in time?
No, I'm not.
And how is it different from the test? Because we ran a lot of tests on you.
Exactly.
And how are those different? Have you ever had those tests done that we did?
Never.
Never.
Never
Okay.
had those
Got
tests
it.
done. Dr. Valentine's has done so much in-depth test, and the things that the results and the way how he interprets, he understands, and I never knew that I have all of these different things that are attacking my body and not fibro.
Right.
So he approached it in a different way by giving me the treatment that he gave me, the natural supplements, you know,
the brain-based therapy,
yes,
the glutathione,
yes,
and other exercises.
My thyroid
Yes.
was being attacked, and I'm
Right.
thinking, oh my goodness, I would never think
Yes.
thyroid would
Absolutely.
cause all of this. And so he put me on this these different kinds of medicine and all the different supplements and all the different treatments. I am so energetic.
Absolutely.
I mean,
well, we want to thank you so much, because this is what other people are experiencing, and there is a multitude of confusion going on with
Yes.
fibro and all these other things happening in the body, and that's why we need to take care of individuals, the whole person.
Absolutely. And doctor, I am so grateful to you. I really am. You know, I talk about you to my husband, my daughter, and it has been a blessing coming to you, and I would not think twice of recommending someone to you, because I know you will steer them in the right path and treat them the way you have treated me. So thank you so much.
Thank you.